Objective 4. Determine the shape of a distribution. Definition. A distribution is unimodal if it has one mound, bimodal if it has two mounds, and multimodal if it has more than two mounds. If we take a look at this first distribution, okay, the distribution is considered there, right? If we follow it along here, and it has one mound, meaning that it has one mound, one peak here. Therefore, that's unimodal. If you look here, if we follow the blue line here, we end up getting two mounds. And those two mounds make that a bimodal. Now, if you look here, we're going to follow the pink line. It goes up one, and then two, and then three. And therefore, it has three mounds, and therefore that would be considered a multimodal. Okay, so if in this case here we have our distributions. If the left tail of a distribution is longer than the right tail, then the distribution is skewed left. Here you can see that the rectangles tend to kind of tail off here on the left side. And so therefore that represents a skewed left distribution. If the left tail and the right tail of a distribution are approximately equal, then the distribution is symmetric. So if you look at this example here, this tail is pretty much the same thing on the right side, and it peaks at the middle here, and therefore that's considered symmetric. That means if you cut this in half and folded it, it'd be right on top of each other. And then the last one here, if the right tail of the distribution is longer than the left tail, then the distribution is skewed right. So you can see here that the rectangles or the bars are starting to get smaller and smaller going towards the right, and therefore that is skewed right.